word now, please, on the screen. Actually, it's a pair.
Eme lang, charot.
So these are actually two different expressions. Okay, the first one is eme lang. Actually, can you guys say it? Eme lang. 1, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Eme lang!
Eme lang.
Yes. And our third word is
Charot!
That's how you did it.
ginaya nilang daw, may nagganon. Okay. Oh. What do you think this means? Eme lang, charot. What do you think that means?
Eme lang. Charot. Gusto.
Never mind.
Gusto.
Ang galing.
Tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. I-replies pa rin pala. Oh, joke lang. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, let's try and apply it.